Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a workout profile on the Amazon Alexa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the More button down below, which is the last option. Click on Settings. Tap on Account Settings, then click on Workouts, tap on Create Workout Profile in the History section, then enter your height in centimeters. Tap on the button Save in the upper right corner, and then you should type in your weight as well. Click on the Save button, and here is your workout profile created. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.